Introducing Canon's imageFORCE 8100 series, a series of monochrome, multifunction printers engineered for high-volume environments that demand speed, reliability, and exceptional print quality, along with a variety of professional finishing options. This lineup represents Canon's latest phase of print innovation, designed to help organizations print better, do more, and stay ahead in today's digital workplace. The imageFORCE 8100 series offers 3 models, the 8105, 8195, and 8186, with print speeds of 105, 95, and 86 pages per minute in black and white, providing performance suitable for any pace required by large offices, schools, print shops, and central reprographics departments. The imageFORCE 8100 series seamlessly integrates into fleet environments alongside other imageFORCE models. This series incorporates a range of advanced features, including a modern, intuitive user interface, outstanding imaging quality and media handling, a comprehensive and adaptable security feature set, a strong focus on sustainability, and the ability to integrate with many solutions, including Uniflow Online, a cloud-based print and scan management solution, and Cloud Connector, a simple cloud-based application that enables users to scan to or print from their own email or select cloud storage applications. At the core of the imageFORCE platform is seamless productivity. Users can benefit from a consistent interface across the imageFORCE platform. The device features a large 10.1-inch responsive and intuitive touchscreen, making operation clear and virtually seamless. Icons are organized by color and accompanied by graphics to facilitate easy differentiation between functions, enhancing overall navigation. The imageFORCE 8100 series is highlighted by a single-pass, duplexing automatic document feeder that can handle up to 200 originals and scan up to 270 images per minute in full color and black and white, making it a great choice for high-demand scanning environments. The single-pass feeder scans both sides of a page simultaneously for fast duplex scanning. The imageFORCE 8100 delivers sharp, black and white prints with advanced precision. This series utilizes Canon's innovative R-VCSEL imaging laser technology. This advanced 32-beam R-VCSEL laser enables a print resolution of 2400 by 2400 dpi, delivering highly detailed black and white images with outstanding definition. R-VCSEL uses a shorter red wavelength laser, which helps produce fine details, ideal for crisp text and thin lines. Furthermore, the new toner delivers crisp and solid blacks, as well as refined grayscale tones. To expand productivity, the imageFORCE 8100 series comes standard with 2 letter-sized paper decks that hold up to 1,770 sheets, an adjustable paper cassette that holds up to 570 sheets, and a multi-purpose tray that holds up to 250 sheets, offering a standard paper capacity of up to 4,360 sheets. An optional multi-drawer paper deck unit can be added, offering a paper capacity of up to 5,000 sheets, which increases the overall maximum paper capacity to 9,360 sheets. This paper deck also supports paper sizes up to 13 by 19. Another available paper source option is the Pod Deck Lite. This option is also great for environments running larger sized paper up to 13 by 19, holds up to 3,660 sheets, and supports paper weights up to 300 GSM. The paper deck unit is another available option that offers a paper capacity of up to 3,660 sheets and supports letter-sized paper with weights up to 256 GSM. For even more versatility, the imageFORCE 8100 series supports long sheet media up to 51.25 inch through the multi-purpose tray with an optional long sheet feed attachment. Additionally, the imageFORCE 8100 series features an advanced fixing unit that supports a wide range of media types, including coated paper, embossed media, and envelopes, delivering flexibility for diverse printing needs. The imageFORCE 8100 series offers a wide range of advanced finishing options. Finishing capabilities can include collating, grouping, offsetting, stapling, saddle stitching, hole punching, document insertion, half folding, C-folding, Z-folding, accordion Z-folding, double parallel folding, and trimming based on attached options. For the imageFORCE 8186, the Staple Finisher AC1 features 3 trays and can hold up to 3,500 sheets, supporting corner, double, and staple on demand up to 60 sheets. The Staple Finisher AQ1 features 2 trays and can hold up to 4,250 sheets, supporting corner and double staple up to 100 sheets. The Staple Finisher AG1 features 2 trays and can hold up to 5,000 sheets, supporting corner and double staple up to 100 sheets. For more advanced finishing features, optional booklet finishers are an alternative. These finishers feature the same basic specs as the staple finishers, with additional support for booklet folding and saddle stitch stapling. The booklet finishers AC2 and AQ1 support up to 20 sheets, and the booklet finisher AG1 supports up to 25 sheets. With the booklet finisher AG1, you can attach a booklet trimmer option with a 10 booklet capacity, or you can also add an inner booklet trimmer on booklet finisher AQ1. Both options support paperweights up to 300 GSM. Additionally, an optional paper folding unit can be added with either of the external staple finishers or the booklet finisher, providing capabilities for half fold, C-fold, Z-fold, accordion Z-fold, and double parallel fold. Options for hole punching are also available, supporting standard 2 and 3 hole configurations. For specialized document needs, an optional multifunctional professional puncher provides compatibility with additional punch dies. With imageFORCE 8100 series, it's not only the printing and scanning capabilities that stand out, it's also the strength of its security features. This series offers an extensive set of security features designed to help control access to the device and sensitive information stored on it. Upon setup, the imageFORCE 8100 series models utilize an estimation algorithm developed with machine learning to analyze the device's operating environment. The algorithm identifies one of 6 available environment types and recommends security settings based on this environment type. If the environment changes and a new environment type needs to be considered, a message will appear on the local UI of the device. In addition, the imageFORCE 8100 series is built on Canon's Unified Firmware Platform, also known as UFP. UFP allows devices to be updated with cutting-edge features, new functionality, and enhanced security measures on an ongoing basis. Canon is strongly committed to supporting sustainability initiatives, which is evident in the imageFORCE 8100 series. The product design, manufacturing, and operation of the devices offer features that can help reduce waste and energy consumption, including 30% of the resin material utilized in the main unit is made with recycled plastic material, up from 2% in previous models. Recycled materials are used in the cassette trays and other areas throughout the device. Designed with the environment in mind, Canon's innovative foldable cardboard packaging allows for easy and quick recycling. And all imageFORCE 8100 series models are ENERGY STAR certified and rated EP Gold. The imageFORCE 8100 series is engineered for exceptional dependability, minimizing downtime and maintenance so your workflow stays on track. When needed, these devices provide on-screen tutorials for replacing consumables like toner and staples, clearing paper jams, and performing routine maintenance. With Canon's imageFORCE 8100 series, reliability is just the beginning. These devices deliver high-speed, high-capacity black and white printing with options for professional finishing, helping your organization to print better with astounding 2400 by 2400 DPI print resolution. Do more with print speeds up to 105 ppm and professional finishing capabilities. And stay ahead with extensive security features and sustainable design elements. It's time to experience the power of next in print technology with Canon's imageFORCE 8100 series.